So just printing some more parts of the robot. This printer is printing one of these. That is one of the neck joints, which one of these pistons go inside of it. So this goes in that joint, which will push onto this neck joint here. This is the actual neck joint, but this will, that little bit will clip onto there and then connect to the bottom of one of these servos here. So the head can then twist like that, up and down and stuff. And we've got my little mini delta down here, printing the actual piston that goes inside. Because the mini delta prints slightly smaller, it means these pistons here have more chance of going in. So it helps me out there, because they're just a tiny little bit smaller than the actual model should be. Oh, there's an O-bot there. Yay.